friends, just a quick video showing you how to re-engage your garage door opener to the worm drive here. So say you need to disengage it real quick and you pull this cord. So say, well, the power went out today and we weren't able to get out of our garage obviously, so we had to pull this, and what that does is it disengages your arm here from the garage door, from the worm drive on your track system here. Some have a chain. I think they all work the same. This is a regular, like, it's got like a little like screw in there. Okay, so to re-engage it, you simply pull it up that way. You gotta pull kind of firmly and see how now it's basically up a little bit. So now it's re-engaged and it'll work. So that's just to show you how to re-engage your garage door opener, or the arm to the garage. Okay, thanks for watching, my friends.